In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google reviews to your Squarespace website. Adding customer reviews to your site can significantly enhance its credibility and showcase your business's strengths through authentic user feedback. So let's dive in and get those reviews up and running on your Squarespace page. First, we'll need to visit a site called Common Ninja. You'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Common Ninja's homepage. This platform offers a variety of widgets, including the Google Reviews widget that we'll be using today. Once you're on their website, look for a button or a section labeled Widgets Plus. This is where all their tools are housed. After clicking on Widgets Plus, head over to the search bar. This is where you'll type in Google Reviews. The platform makes it easy to find exactly what you're looking for with its search feature, so this step should be straightforward. Once you enter your query, you'll see an option for Google Reviews. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. Next up, there should be an option that says Create Google Reviews. Click on this to start crafting the specific widget you want to include on your site. Once your widget is created, you'll need to publish it. Look for a button labeled Publish and click on it. This action will prepare your widget for saving. After publishing, you will also need to save your widget. There should be a prompt or button that reads Save Widget. When you save it, you might be asked to select a folder where you want your widget stored within Common Ninja. Choose your preferred folder, then confirm your selection by clicking on Save Changes. Now that your widget is saved, you'll want to copy the embed code. Look for a button or option that says Copy Code. This is the code that you will paste into your Squarespace site to display your newly created widget. Switching gears to Squarespace, head over to your site's backend and locate where you can add new content blocks. There should be an option labeled ADD Block. Click this to continue. When you're there, select the Embed option. This will allow you to input custom HTML code, such as the code from your Google Reviews widget. In the Embed block, look for an Edit button, click it, and then find where you can insert a code snippet. You should see a space labeled Embed Data. This is where you'll paste the code you copied earlier. Paste your embed code into the designated area and make sure everything looks right. Finally, click on Save to ensure your changes apply properly. With that, your Google Reviews should now be live on your Squarespace website. By following these steps, you can elevate your site's trustworthiness and give prospective customers a glimpse of what others have to say about your business. Thank you for watching, and happy building.